Oh my god. Oh nah. EBK Choppa. Oh nah. He's back. Oh nah. He's back, everybody. EBK Choppa Disfigured. What NYC sounds like freestyle. Oh nah. He about to start talking crazy on this bitch.
Like Choppa the top one, nigga.
Really? Really, bruh? Middletown, New York. He's from Portland, bruh. Why y'all doing that, bruh? Bro's from the Bronx, bro. He been from the Bronx for like the last 2 years, bro. Chill.
Cause I'm the one who started this. EBK, everybody killer. You switch sides, you gotta down that side. I do not fuck them niggas. Niggas don't ride when it's time to go slide.
He talking.
You switch sides, you gotta down that side.
He said you switch sides, you gotta die on that side. Real shit. Come on now.
EBK, everybody killer. You switch sides, you gotta down that side. I do not fuck them niggas. Niggas don't ride when it's time to go slide. Niggas might turn into bitches. I do not hide. I got my none on my side. House might even disfigured.
What'd he say? What'd he say?
I do not hide. I got my none on my side.
He said, I don't hide, I got that none on my side. What? You talking crazy. Come on.
When it's time to go slide, niggas might
you know who it is.
I do not hide. I got my none on my side. House might even disfigured. I know they mad that I'm getting bigger. She play, I'm really that nigga. She used to front, but dick out her liver. After I hit, I'm fucking her sister. She gon' eat dick, I'm never gon' kiss her. I'm not with that sing shit, I'm turning no scissor. Make it hot, don't cry me a river. I do shots every time I was tension. Now they on my body trying to get attention. I took L's, learn lessons, everything.
Come on now. Everybody take L's in this shit, bro. Turn his L's into lessons. Real shit.
Now they on my body trying to get attention. I took L's, learn lessons. Everything that I learned was a blessing. Coming from different directions. I don't care about niggas' perception. My name whole way, I got different connections.
My name whole way, I got different connections. Come on now.
Money coming from different directions. I don't care about niggas' perception. My name whole way, I got different connections.
Oh, you care about perception. Come on now.
Care about niggas' perception. My name whole way, I got different connections. Oh, he flexing. I said
you're not listening.
Oh, he sexting. Why they hit, but I kill my best friend. When you cut on my tongue, gotta check it. If you don't, then you know we get.
Oh nah. He said if you come to Middletown, New York, you better fucking check in, or you know what's gonna happen. What? Come on, he talking on this bitch. Y'all tripping. What? He run that shit.
When you cut on my tongue, gotta check it. If you don't, then you know we get reckless. That's the thing when it comes with deception.
Really get reckless. What are you talking about?
When you cut on my tongue, gotta check it. If you don't, then you know we get reckless. That's the thing when it comes with deception. When we catch him, get took off the checklist. When we talk about like take his necklace. Before we can get to the entrance. If we don't, he get caught by the exit. I heard AJ turn criminal protection. Now let's get to that action. I heard Naughty went out by a stabbing.
What?
Went out, he was latch on glow, got took out his glow, he ain't have it. Now we.
Oh nah. He from Middletown, this a dummy, Naughty. Who else? He said glow?
Naughty went out by a stabbing. And dummy went out, he was latch on glow, got took out his glow, he ain't have it. Now we smoking, he thought he was savage. He would think that all of this madness. Bullets breaking, it's born in the fragments. Mad sad went out, it was tragic. EBK, everybody killer. You switch sides, you gotta down that side. I do not fuck them niggas. Niggas don't ride when it's time to go slide. Niggas might turn into bitches. I do not hide. I got my none on my side. House might even disfigured. I know they mad that I'm getting bigger. She play, I'm really that nigga. She used to front, but dick out her liver. After I hit, I'm fucking her sister. She gon' eat dick, I'm never gon' kiss her. I'm not with that sing shit, I'm turning no scissor. Make it hot, don't cry me a river. I do shots every time I was tension. I do shots.
Oh nah. Nah, Joey hard-headed? You talking about he ain't learned his lesson? What lesson? He took that L and learned that lesson. Come on now, he talking on this bitch. Come on now. Middletown got it. Connecticut? Come on, bro. That's not... Middletown is in New York, bro. Stop playing. This was some funny shit. Man, y'all trolling, man. This shit was really fire. Bro was talking on this bitch. He said you come to that town, you better check in. What? Come on now.